Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you can try doing this using the AirDrop. You can transfer any kind of photos that you wanted from one iPhone to another without using any kind. It's very simple as it is. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here on the notification and you have to just turn on the AirDrop over here like this. You have to turn on the AirDrop over here. Now as you can see, I have set this for everyone for 10 minutes. It might be on receiving or contacts only. If that is the case, change this to everyone for 10 minutes. Right, I have set this up over here on this particular phone. Similarly, I have to do it over here as well. So to do so, what I need to do is I have to go over here in the control center. You can see there is an AirDrop icon. You have to just press over here, press and hold, or you can just tap on it once again. Now first you have to turn on the AirDrop. Now you have to click on the drop over here like this. Now make sure that you have set this over here for everyone for 10 minutes as well. Once you set this up, you're fine with it. Now what you need to do is after you set this up completely, like the AirDrop is turned on, then what you need to do is we have to go over here to the photos. Now select the photo that you wanted to send. So I'm just going to send this particular photos from here to them. That particular iPhone very instantly. So what I'm trying to do is once you select the photo, you have to click on this icon over here. Now go to the AirDrop here. Now as you can see, this is what it is. The other phone is visible over here. Now I have to tap on it over here, right? As you can see, I got a pop-up notification from here, so I have to go for accept. Now as you can see, the photos is being sent from this to this particular iPhone over here like this. Now if I go back, you can see that this is the photo that I sent from this particular iPhone to other one over here very instantly. You can, in vice versa, you can do the same, and also you can select multiple photos if you wanted, or you can just send a simple one as it is. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.